Good day everyone. My name is Renan Guzman Roy. My topic is 2020s. During 2020s. This topic is kahit anong daming challenges that year, like that pandemic na nag-stay sa bahay, is hindi pa nawawala yung love ng mga tao sa fashions. In fact, ang nangyari pa nga is mas naging creative yung trends. Nagkaroon ng comeback yung early 20s styles, yung paraang Y2K vibes. And at the same time, is nagiging super mas nagiging sikat yung comfortable clothes like loungewear, basically fashion become both stylish and comfy dahil sa situation natin that time. Next is, dito naman is mas naging detailed yung trends noong 2020. One big trend was the return the classic accessories like mini bags and vintage inspired designs. Hindi lang siya sa stylish, practical pa kasi hands-free sila, which is perfect during the pandemic. Another trend is comfort talaga, like low dresses instead of tight ones. Mas breathable, mas bagay sa weather, especially sa places like Manila. Then, surprisingly, sumikat din yung dad sandals. Yung medyo crunchy and simple na sandal, kahit basic sila, naging fashionable na rin. And lastly, the chunky jewelry, like big chains, bolts, accessories, were super in. Mas eye-catching siya, mas statement piece sa overall the trend. Mas bigger daw siya sa bolder and more portable fashions. Yun lamang po. Thank you po.